With this speaker, I do have to say that if you compare it with the tiny one that I've tested before this one, with the EQs, the bass EQ is really terrible on this one. It's just like the DSP is overkilling the limits, so it's really like dropping the volume. The balance mode is also not my favorite on this one. And the pure mode, even though it does keep the bass at a very steady and balanced way, it's just a little bit too harsh. So overall, I would say if you want to still find the middle path, go for the balance EQ, but the pure does give me a little bit more of a preference, even though it can be a little bit harsh on higher volume. Overall, not a very bad speaker, but yeah, EQs could be maybe a little bit more improved.